Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get Kit in Brawl Stars. To acquire Kit, your main objective is to accumulate sufficient credits, which are the game's designated currency for unlocking new brawlers. Once you have saved up the necessary amount, typically a few thousand, you can navigate to Kit's profile within the Brawler's menu. There, you simply tap to confirm your unlock, bringing this fantastic character into your roster. This is the most consistent and reliable method available. Earning credits steadily is key to unlocking Kit. As you gain trophies and climb the trophy road, you will find generous credit rewards at various milestones. Furthermore, participating in battles and completing your daily and seasonal quests will award you with star drops, which often contain credits or other valuable resources. Focus on consistent gameplay to ensure a steady flow of this essential currency. Don't miss out on those daily opportunities. Star drops introduce an element of exciting randomness to your brawler acquisition journey. While not always guaranteed, a lucky star drop, particularly one of mythic or legendary rarity, might directly grant you Kit. Even if you don't get Kit directly, these drops consistently provide credits, power points, or other valuable items that contribute to your overall progression. Spinning those drops daily adds a fun surprise to your routine. Utilizing the Brawl Pass is an extremely efficient method for collecting resources, including a substantial amount of credits. As you complete quests and play games, you advance through the Brawl Pass tiers, unlocking numerous rewards. The Premium Brawl Pass offers even more generous credit payouts, significantly speeding up your journey towards acquiring Kit. Consider investing in it if you want to maximize your progress quickly. This system is designed for consistent rewards.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.